So here's a hard truth that leaders generally hate hearing. You don't need a new team. What you need is a new understanding of the team you already have. If you've ever said things like, my team doesn't communicate, they don't collaborate, they're in constant friction, they don't follow through, or they don't seem motivated, then this video is one you don't need to miss. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to diagnose your team's misalignment, how to use the why.os, the who.os, and the what.os framework to fix it. By the end of this video, you know exactly how to turn the team you already have into a high-performing team that you've always wanted. So let's take a minute and dive in. You see, every team has 3 layers that determine whether they succeed or they struggle. Layer 1 is identity, which is the why. This is what drives each person, what gives them energy, and what creates friction for them. You see, layer 2 is chemistry, which is the who in our process. This is who they click with, who drains them, and who accelerates their work. Layer 3 is about contribution, which is the what. This is what they produce together when alignment is actually right. When something feels off on your team, it always comes from one of these 3 layers. It's not laziness. It's not incompetence. It's not bad attitudes. Listen to me. It's misalignment. Here's what most leaders get wrong. People rarely fail because of skill. They fail because roles don't match their wiring. Pairings don't match chemistry, and communication doesn't match personality, much less expectations don't match their natural contribution. You see, leaders keep trying to fix behavior instead of fixing alignment. That's why the same problems keep showing up no matter how many coaching sessions or team building exercises you run. Here's the moment of breakthrough. So step 1 is why.os, which resets identity clarity. Get clear on what drives each person on your team. This instantly explains where they thrive, where they wobble, and why they react the way they do, what drains them and what energizes them. It removes misinterpretation. Suddenly, the person you thought was difficult or unmotivated makes complete sense. Step 2 is who.os, which resets chemistry. Now you look at how the team actually interacts. Some pairings are energy accelerators. Some are friction magnets. This is not personal. It's predictable. With who.os, you redesign collaboration so people work with those who amplify them, not those who exhaust them. And step 3 is what.os, which resets contribution. Once roles match wiring and collaboration matches chemistry, now the contribution takes off. This is where your team starts producing results that none of them, listen to me, could do and produce alone. Morale increases, turnover drops, productivity climbs, and results multiply. Not because the people changed, but because the alignment changed. You see, most leaders try to swap the players. Smart leaders, they realign the players. And here's the part that most people do not ever realize. The team you have right now has more potential than you think. When you fix the alignment, the same people who frustrated you last month became the people who exceed your expectations next month. So let's recap the key points. Your team is not broken. It's misaligned. Why.os fixes identity clarity by helping you understand what drives each person. Who.os fixes chemistry by showing you which relationships work and which ones create friction. What.os reveals the contribution that only happens when people work together in aligned conditions. And alignment makes your existing team perform like a brand new one without you having to replace one single individual. So here's your next step. Step 1, have your leadership team complete this why.os assessment. You can't fix what you don't understand. Step 2, choose one collaboration on your team that isn't working right now, and let's look at it through the Propel framework. Step 3, let's schedule a discovery call. I'll walk you through your team's whys, their chemistry patterns, and where alignment is breaking down. The link is in the description below. Guys, if you want the team you already have to perform at a higher level than you've ever thought possible, let's realign it together. Guys, I thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.